found the thing, I could have gone straight down and found the fuse and stuff and called the cops. Cause I knew where the phone was. So I guess there was two locations, one upstairs in the main hallway, and there was the other one I think in the living room. Well, we have to see how this is gonna. But the thing is, I don't even know where you can find the actual pole. If you can use the pole to call to bring out the thing, that'd be really nice. I might have to look up some stuff on Rush Week and see if where things are and stuff like like the main key items, so it'd be easier to find out and stuff. Because it makes it easier for the game to be easier to find where all the key items are. Like I know they would do is that they wish to switch the phone location and the fuse box. The fuse box would normally be downstairs in the two locations, or the one outside by the courtyard. So, let's see.
What the hell is going on?
Okay, so the phone's not here. I can grab the fuse. Let me grab the fuse now, once I know. Because there's a thing here. Up. Oh, okay, they're gonna call the cops, which is fine. Hang on. Oh, sweet. Yes, I'm out! She actually found the pole. Nice. First time for everything. At least we got out with the pole. Like, got out with the attic. Sweet.